I'm Stephanie Domerat, and here is the latest news update from Fox 12. A man faces several charges after Oregon State Police say they found an arsenal of guns and explosives in his home in Scappoose. It all started on Friday when a trooper stopped Richard Gundy Hampton near his home in connection with a domestic violence case. According to OSP, the trooper found evidence of drugs and weapons. OSP says a search of the home turned up drugs, guns, and explosives. 10 homes in the area had to be evacuated over the weekend while crews destroyed those explosives. Gundy Hampton is being held at the Columbia County Jail on $5 million bail. Hawaii's Kilauea volcano has erupted, and the National Weather Service is telling people to stay inside because of falling ash. The eruption last night was followed by several earthquakes, one measuring a magnitude 4.4. Kilauea last erupted in May of 2018, destroying more than 700 homes. And now here is Fox 12's Andy Carson with a look at our forecast.
We are looking at the rain showers really increasing as we get into the afternoon. 54 will be the high. We'll see a chance for showers tomorrow morning and then dries up. 47 at the top end. Mid-40s Wednesday, Thursday with plenty of sunshine, at least after some patchy fog there Wednesday morning. We get to Friday, Saturday, throw in a few more showers late Friday, early Saturday, highs mid-40s, 45 and partly sunny by Sunday. Stephanie?
All right, Andy, thank you. And for news and weather updates anytime, just download the Fox 12 app on your phone or tablet. Or you can log on to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Fox12.